20? 20 no ma, this Friday. Serious starts from this Friday, right? Yes or no? Yes. We receive a circular. What is the first subject? So Nm&S. Okay, wow. They give you this problem, find dy by dx at x equal to 51 as practice problem. Which problem I gave you as practice problem? Okay, take your next one. Which one answer? No? Which question? What about others?
Find dy by dx.
D square by dx square x equal to 51. What is your answer? First derivative.
1.1.
1.1. Second derivative.
0.2.
Second derivative, okay, 0.23. First derivative, getting it as 1.03. Not so much variation, but it is equal. Okay. So take the next program. The following data gives the velocity of a particle. The following data gives the velocity of a particle for 20 seconds at an interval of 5 seconds. At an interval of 5 seconds. Find the initial acceleration. Find the initial acceleration using the entire data. Note down the data now. We are given time in seconds and the corresponding velocity. Time in seconds, the corresponding velocity is given in meters per second. So time 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. Corresponding velocity 0, 3, 14, 69, 228. So read the question. Understand what is supposed to find, what is given. What is given for you? Time and velocity is given. What is supposed to find?
Initial
Acceleration. Okay, well, so how will you find the acceleration from this one? So far, what was the question? You are given the data as x and y. Okay, you have to find a corresponding y value for a given x or to find a polynomial. This is an indirect question. Okay, you are given the time and velocity. Using that one, you have to find the acceleration. What is the relation connecting velocity and acceleration? Right from the school days, you have studied now. Rate of change of time is acceleration. Rate of change of what is acceleration? Rate of change of displacement is not acceleration. So that one S can indicate a speed or a displacement. Okay, va? V is for the velocity and A is for the acceleration. Okay. So the rate of change of displacement will give you the velocity. The rate of change of velocity will give you the acceleration. It is related like this. Okay. So rate of change is what is the mathematical operator behind that one? No? Rate of change is it indicates which corresponding mathematical operator. Rate of change. இந்த அளவுக்கு மாறுபட்டிருக்குங்கிறத நமக்கு தெரியும். Rate of change. இந்த அளவுக்கு மாறுபட போகுதுங்கிறதையும் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணலாம். What is that called? Corresponding mathematical operator. So rate of change is nothing but the corresponding differential operator. That is our differentiation. Okay, rate of change means it indicates the corresponding differentiation. So what is the definition we are saying? The rate of change of displacement will give you the velocity. So velocity can be defined as ds by d. We have to differentiate the displacement. Then you will get the corresponding velocity. So what is acceleration? What is acceleration? Rate of change of velocity. So how do you define acceleration? dv by dt. So acceleration A is nothing but dv by dt. This is one way of representing. So here what is given? Time and velocity is given. So you know velocity. You have to find acceleration. So what you are supposed to find? dv by dt. Okay, உங்களுக்கு புரியுது என்ன velocity கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. அதுல இருந்து acceleration கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். உங்க velocity இருந்து acceleration கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். என்ன கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? dv by dt. You have to find what is the corresponding differentiation value. In case some problems what can happen is that instead of velocity they will give the displacement. Okay, so from displacement how will you find acceleration? From displacement how will you find acceleration? Velocity கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். Velocity என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? You differentiate one time ds by dt. To find acceleration what you will do? Second derivative, not square. What you have to do? This is also same as d square s by dt square. Okay, so you should be careful in the statement whether the displacement is given or the velocity is given. If velocity is given means you have to find the corresponding first derivative. If you are given the displacement means you have to find the corresponding second derivative. Okay, for acceleration. In some problems they may ask you to find both velocity as well as also acceleration. It depends. Okay. So like this indirect questions is possible in your differentiation and integration. Instead of doing this exam method, they can interpret it linearly. So what is the meaning of rate of change? Rate of change now what I told you now. What is the mathematical explanation for that? Derivative. Okay. What is the other type of problem possible is that may be given the year and a corresponding population group. Just for another example. Okay, well, they will ask you to find the rate of change of population in some particular year. Okay, so what you have to find for this problem? This is x and this is y. How will be a question is that find the rate of change of population. So rate of change is what you have to find. Rate of change is tell me the mathematical notation. Differentiation, not determinant, differentiation. Okay, rate of change of population கேட்டாலும் என்ன பண்ணணும்? We have to find what is here dy by dx. Okay, so indirect way they can ask the differentiation question. So always remember that rate of change means you have to find the corresponding first derivative. Is it clear? Don't forget that part. If you feel that you will forget it, maybe not even. So rate of change means you have to find the corresponding first derivative. Okay. So start on this problem. Solution. Solution for this problem. Acceleration A is equal to dv by dt. Rate of change of velocity is acceleration. Right. To find. See the question. You have to find what acceleration. Initial means what is the meaning? Start. So what is the starting value given for you? Time. 0. So you have to find dv by dt at t equal to 0. We are used with x and y in the formulas. So for your convenience, you can denote this to be x and y also. Nothing wrong in that part. Okay. So what you have to find? dv by dt at t equal to 0 is the same as x is equal to 0. What is the step 1 you have to do? Now we have to find the differentiation now. Equal interval or unequal interval? Equal. Equal means which formula we can apply? Forward. To apply forward How many difference you can find? 4 difference you can find. So del y, del square y, del cube y, del power 4y. So x values 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. Y values 0, 3, 14, 69, 220. Find the difference. Copy down parallelly. Should we find the values? First one. 3 minus 0? 0. 3. 14 minus 3? 11. 69 minus 14? Yes? 228 minus 69? Still no calculator. Second difference, 11 minus 3, 55 minus 11, 159 minus 55, third, 44 minus 8, 104 minus 44. How much more? 60. 60 minus 36. 24. So you are going to use the forward formula. So you are going to make use of all the first values of your table. These are the values you are going to substitute in your formula. What is the next step you have to do? Formula. So write by the formula by NFIF. What is NFIF?
Newton's
Forward integration formula. So write by NFIF dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to. We are going to find 21st derivative, so that one formula alone is enough. So dy by dx is equal to 1 by h into y naught, sorry, del y naught plus 2u minus 1 by 2 into del square of y naught plus 3u square minus 6u plus 2 divided by 6 into del cube of y naught plus 4u cube minus 18u square plus 22u minus 6 divided by 24 into del power 4 of y naught plus etc. If you don't know the formula, what you have to do? You know that it is forward formula. Differentiate that one and write your formula. But it will be better if you memorize this one formula. If you know this one, you can solve second, third and all the other derivatives. What is the u formula? What is u? X minus x naught divided by h. So in this problem, what you have to solve? Initial. Now what is x value? 0. So here you have to first substitute x equal to 0. X naught is the starting value of x. What is the starting value? 0. H is the interval difference. What is the value? 5. All the interval difference between x values. So what is the u value for our problem? 0. You are going to solve the problem with u equal to 0. So substitute. Therefore, dy by dx at u equal to 0 is equal to 1 by 5 into. So del y naught, the first value of del y, which is 3 plus substitute get 2 by 6. So that new value is 36. Plus, again u2 vanishes, you get it as minus 6. So minus 6 by 24. Del power 4 value is 24. Find the answer. Any doubt? You are substituting u equal to 0 everywhere. See here it will cancel 2 and 8 will be 4 times now. 6 and 36, 24, 24 cancels.
3512.0.6.
Why not so much deviation? See this one. I written this one after cancelling. What is 12 plus 3? What is 12 plus 3? 15. Minus 4 minus 6 will give you 5. Minus 4 minus 6 10 now. So 15 minus 8 will give you 5. So you will get it as 1 by 5 into 5. What will be the answer? No, you should get answers 1. You should get exactly 1. Because everything is coming only as an integer, no fractions. Doing a calculator properly, no? So what is the actual one you are supposed to find? So initial, what do you find? Acceleration. So what you have found out is nothing but the acceleration. So right, hence dv by dt at t equal to 0 equal to 1. At t equal to 0. நம்ம கன்வீனியன்ஸ்க்காக தான் இந்த t வந்து நம்ம எக்ஸா மாத்திட்டோம். ஆமா, no need d square. Because given velocity you are supposed to find the acceleration. So only first derivative. From displacement you are going to come for the acceleration in second derivative. Any doubt in this problem? Any doubt? Okay. So one of the main application of the derivatives is to find the maxima and minimum. I discussed that even in your first year classes. Maxima and minimum. How do you discuss your maximum value and minimum value? We have discussed that about maxima and minimum. How do you identify whether the value is maximum value or minimum value? What is the procedure? I should not ask, right? So what you will find is that you will find the corresponding first derivative dy by dx. And then you will make it to be equal to 0. Solve it and find all the possible x values. Okay, those x values should be substituted in your second derivative. Okay, so first you find the first derivative, it should be equal to 0. Finding means you should find it as a polynomial, not as a value. You have to find the first derivative in terms of an equation. Make it equal to 0. Solve and find all the possible x values. Then you have to find the second derivative. Whatever values you have found out here, substitute that in the second derivative. If the second derivative answer is less than 0, then the corresponding point is a maximum point. Okay, less than 0 means negative value. Okay, if the answer is greater than 0, that is, it is a positive value, then it will be a corresponding minimum point. So one of the applications of our using the derivatives. So we are going to discuss one problem based on our maxima and minimum. So note down. According to your understanding, you mentioned. Find dy by dx. Procedure for finding maxima and minimum. Maxima and minimum. Find. What is searching now? What is searching? Then search it afterwards. Now I am asking you to write. Find maximum and minimum topic. Procedure. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx as an equation. Find dy by dx as an equation and equate to 0. And equate to 0. Equate to 0. Solve and find x values. Solve and find the x values. Full stop. Substitute the x values. Substitute the x values in d square y by dx square. Second derivative. D square y by dx square. Comma. Next line. If d square y by dx square is less than 0. What do you want to if d square y by dx square is less than 0, then the corresponding point is a maximum point. If d square y by dx square is greater than 0, then it is a minimum point. Less than 0 maximum point, greater than 0 minimum point. Okay, but this is a procedure to find the maxima and minimum. Whether it is equal or unequal, for both the procedure is the same. Okay, note down the problem. Find the maximum and minimum value. Find the maximum and minimum value of y. Find the maximum and minimum value of y for the given data. So take away x values. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Corresponding y values 2, -0.25, 0, -0.25, 2, 15.75, 56. Then okay, what is supposed to find now? Equal.
Maximum.
What is the main objective to find? Maxima and minimum. Okay. To find maxima and minimum, you need the first derivative and second derivative. Okay. So as usual, you check equal or unequal interval. Equal or unequal. Equal. What is the interval difference? 1. The interval difference is equal to 1. So we can apply our Newton's forward formula. So for that, what do you form first?
Forward or backward.
No choice. Polynomial is continuous. We can use either forward or backward. So what is the first step you have to do? Table. Form the forward difference table. Form the table everyone. Form the table. X by 2 minus 1 0 1 2 3 4. Y 2 minus 0.25 0 minus 0.25 2 15.75 56. How many x values are there? 7. So 7 means how many difference you can find? 6. Should we start? Having a calculator. So do with the minus and plus side carefully. So minus 0.25 minus 2. Minus 0.25 minus 2. What does that say? Minus 2.25. Next one. 0 minus minus 0.25. 0.25. Minus 0.25 minus 0. Minus 0.25. Next one. 2 minus of minus 0.25. 2.25. 13.75 minus 2. 13.75. 56 minus 15.75. 40. Everyone completed? Second difference. 0.25 minus of minus. 2 point? Minus of plus, huh? Which one? Next one or this one? Which one will give me the answer? First one or second one? 2.5. This one minus, no? So minus into minus will become plus. Next one minus 0.25 minus 0.25. So what you will get? Minus or plus? Minus 0.5. Next one 2.25 minus of minus 0.25. 2 over. Is it 2? 2.25 minus of minus. 2.5 then that is what it is. 2.5. 13.75 minus 2.25. 11.5. 40.25 minus 13.75. 20. Be careful with the when you multiply with negative sign. These are same answers. Third difference. Minus 0.5 minus 2.5. Minus 3. 2.5 minus of minus 0.5. 3. 11.5 minus 2.5. 26.5 minus 11.5. How much more? 50. Now the fourth difference. 3 minus of minus 3. 6. 9 minus 3. 15 minus 9. Fifth difference. 6 minus 6. 0. 0.
0.
Last difference
0.
0. So we can find up to the sixth difference. But what happens to 5 and 6?
0.
0. So if you write the formula only up to the fourth row, it is enough. Because after that all are going to become 0. So in that formula you are going to substitute all the first values. Using what? NFIF. So right. Using NFIF. Write your formula dy by dx. Using NFIF. dy by dx is equal to 1 by h. Don't forget that. Delta y naught plus minus plus etc. No need to write the plus etc. Because it's going to become 0. So write again and again so that the formula will get memorized for you. So u will be defined as x minus x naught by h. Written the formula. So what is supposed to find here? What is the main objective for you to find? Maximum minimum. To find maximum minimum, what you need? I gave you the procedure number. What do you find?
Plus x.
dy by dx as a value or an expression? Expression. So you are supposed to find the derivative as an expression. So retain x as x itself. And the value of contributing x equal to the value of substitute. But we are supposed to find it only as an expression. So retain x as x itself. Minus x naught. First value of x. What is the first value? 2. Divided by h. What is that h value? 1. Interval difference. So you are going to substitute u as x minus 2. Okay, derivate entire process now because you are going to find an expression. Okay, now substitute carefully in your formula. So dy by dx is equal to, so 1 by h mark, so 1 by 1 is going to become 1. Del y naught. So in del y the first value is minus 2.25 plus 2u minus 1. So 2 into x minus 2 minus 1 divided by 2 into del square. So del square first value is 2.5. U ಎಂಗೆಲ್ಲ x minus 2 ನಿಕೋದು. Okay, so 2.5 plus 3u square. So 3 into x minus 2 the whole square minus 6 into x minus 2 plus 2. The whole thing divided by 6 into del cube. Del cube the first value is minus 3 plus 4u cube x minus 2 the whole cube minus 18u square x minus 2 the whole square plus 22u x minus 2 minus 6 the whole thing divided by 24 into del power 4 of y naught is 6. So normally this is what you will do, right, Mama? Okay, but here what you are trying to find find the maxima and minimum. And also we are applying our Newton's forward formula. And the formula எங்க applicable ஆகும்னா consider only for the positive values. Okay, ஆனா நம்ம x0 என்ன எடுக்கிறோம்? What is the x0 you have considered ma? -1 எடுக்கிறோம்ல. ஆனா நம்ம வந்து எடுக்க கூடாது. நார்மலா ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் போடும்போது இப்படி தான் போடுவோம். will be doing like that one. But in the particular problem we are trying to find the maxima and minimum. அதனால இந்த மாதிரி எடுத்து போட கூடாது. Okay, what we are doing in this types of problems is that we shift the origin to the point 0. Positive or negative number of value of 0 கொடுத்துருவாங்க. We are going to shift the origin to 0 and then we are going to consider that as the x0 value and then we are going to solve. Okay, now நார்மலா கையில இத போடுவோம். நீ x0 ஸ்டார்டிங் வேல்யூ சப்ஸ்டிட் பண்ணி போடுவோம். ஆனா இந்த மாதிரி ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ்ல நெகட்டிவ் வேல்யூஸ் வருது. நெகட்டிவ் வேல்யூஸ் வரும்போது நீ ப்ரொசீட் பண்ணலாம். அது ரொம்ப ரேர் கேஸ் தான். ஓகே, மேக்ஸிமம் ஓகே எதுக்கு நெகட்டிவ் வேல்யூ கொடுக்குறது ரொம்ப ரேர் கேஸ் தான். வந்ததுனா தெரிஞ்சுக்கோ. மோஸ்ட்லி 95% everything we are only for a positive values. ஒருவேளை அது மாத்தி கேட்டாங்கன்னா you shift the origin to the starting of the positive value. So what is the value between positive and negative here? 0. So we are going to shift our origin to 0 and then we are going to solve. புரியுதா? So இத மட்டும் ஒரு bracket போடுவோம். இனி பண்ண கூடாது, எக்ஸாம்ல பண்ண கூடாத விஷயம். Okay, இது பண்ண கூடாது. You should not do this in your examination paper. Okay, so right next time shift the origin to the point x is equal to 0.
Shift the
origin தான் முதல்ல first இருக்கிற value. Shift the origin to the point x equal to 0. Therefore u equal to
x0 equal to
x0 is origin தான் நம்மளோட starting point. Okay, now you find what is the new value x minus x0. What is x0 value shifted? 0. So 0 by 1. So you will get simply u to be equal to x. U is equal to x. So now I can substitute the formula. Now it is very easy for you. அது ஏன் கொடுத்தனா நீ ஏன் மாத்துறதுக்கான ரீசன் தெரியணும். இந்த மாதிரி தப்பு எக்ஸாம்ல பண்ணக்கூடாது. ஓகே, கண்ணை மூடிட்டு ட்ரைனை போடுவோம். when it comes to maximum and minimum or negative values. So dy by dx equal to first one del y naught. What is the del y naught value? Minus 2.25 plus 2u minus 1. U equal to x. 2x minus 1 divided by 2 into del square is 2.5 plus 3u square minus 6u plus 2 divided by 6 into del cube is minus 3 plus 4u cube minus 18u square plus 22u minus 6 divided by 24 into del power 4 is 6. Now easily we can simplify now. Let us simplify and define what is the corresponding polynomial. Simplify. So if you want, you can cancel now. 6 and 24 can be cancelled 4 times. So 3 and 6 can be cancelled 2 times. Don't forget the negative sign. Okay. So minus 2.25 plus multiply 2.5 inside. What is 2 into 2.5?
4.5x
4.5. About 2.5 into 2. 2.5 into 5. 5x minus 2.5, the whole thing divided by 2. Okay. So now you can have this term as it is. There is one negative sign on. Be careful with that one. So you'll get that one to be plus, or you can write minus 3x square minus 6x plus 2 divided by 2. There is one negative sign there. You are getting it to the front. Now the last term, 4x cube minus 18x square plus 22x minus 6 divided by 24. Sorry, 4. Now we have to simplify, as I told you, either you do the simplification fraction or in decimal. Okay, LCM எடுக்க தெரிஞ்சதுனா நீ fraction ல solve பண்ண, otherwise go only for decimal. Now convert everything to be decimal. Minus 2.25 plus. We are having 2 in the denominator. What is 1 by 2? 0.5. 1 divided by 2 in a 0.5. We bring it to the numerator. So 0.5 into 5x minus 2.5. And the denominator is in the multiple. It will be easy for you. Minus. Again 1 by 2. What is 1 by 2? 0.5. So 0.5 into 3x square minus 6x plus 2. Plus. Here the denominator is 1 by 4. What is 1 by 4? 0.25. That is multiplied by 4x cube minus 18x square plus 22x minus 6. Okay, now we multiply everything inside. Find what is the polynomial. So what is 0.5 into 5, ma? What is 0.5 into 5?
0.5 into 5. Minus
0.5 into 5. Ordinary multiplication. 2.5. You will get this to be 2.5x. Next, 0.5 into 2.5. So minus 1.25. Because there is in between negative sign. Okay, well. Now multiply
0.5 into 3. 1.5.
1.5. Outside common, there is one negative sign. So take that to be minus 1.5 x square. Now 0.5 into 6. 3. Here there is one negative sign and this negative sign will give you plus. So you get it as plus 3x. Now 0.5 into 2. 1. There is one negative sign, so you get it as minus 1. Now the next two. 0.25 into 4. 1. So you get it to be x cubed. 0.25 into 18. 4.5. In between there is negative sign. So minus 4.5 x square. 22 into 5.5. Plus or minus, no? Minus or plus or? Plus. There is one positive sign. 6 into 0.25. 1.5. Now, for a common terms of weapon, what is the highest degree? Cube term. How many cube terms are there? Only one. So get it to be x cube. Now connect all your x square terms. So what are the x square terms you are having? Minus 1.5. Next x square term minus 4.5. Any other x square? No. Next collect all the x terms. So 2.5. Next plus 3. Then 5.5. After next what you have to collect? All the constants. So plus first constant minus 2.25 minus 1.25 minus 1 minus 1.5. Total 4 constants are there. Simplify. X cube plus minus 6 minus 6x square. X terms
11x.
Constants. 1 point. Constants. 1.1. Constants.
Minus 6.
All are negative, no, ma. How will you get to 100?
Minus 6.
Minus 6. எல்லாமே நெகட்டிவ் எதுவும் இருக்கு அப்ப எப்படி 1 ஆன்சர் வரும்? What you have done so far is finding only the derivative. If you have done by yourself, means you have made mistake in calculation. Ma, check it. So this is the first step, ma. You have got only the derivative. So what is the next step is? You have to equate this to 0. Solve and find the roots. Okay, ma. On the point that you are going to substitute the second derivative and you are going to check whether it is maximum or minimum. Okay. So right, dy by dx equal to 0. dy by dx equal to 0. That is x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 equal to 0. X cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 equal to 0. Solve and find the roots. Solve and find the roots. Have your calculators now? Find what are the roots. If you don't have